Alright, we're making it out again today. Essentially just because I want to try a different frame rate on my GoPro on my helmet. I'm going to try 24 rather than 30, so that way when I shoot B-roll, see if I can slow it down with like a cinematic look. But this video is basically going to tell me that. If you guys can see a difference in 24 with a slowed down B-roll, let me know. Interested to hear if you guys can tell. But yeah, literally had already filmed this whole video going down some of my favorite back roads, and then realized the information was just kind of like chopped up, spread out. Didn't even know what I was really talking about, but I want to get all the information out to you guys. First of all, because it's time sensitive, my friend Birch with the channel LifeofBurch, his meetup is in like a day and a half. I'm gonna try to edit this as quick as possible and get it out to you guys. Don't be bad. Holy crap. Okay, we'll need to go super slow over that. He has a meetup, 2 days, 2 p.m. on Saturday. Helped him pick out the location. It's right by a nice coffee shop. The coffee shop does close at 2, so I'm gonna get there a little bit early, grab some coffee, hang out with whoever gets there and wants coffee as well. I'll put the location down in the description below, as well as building this channel and currently being a full stay-at-home dad. I have a Patreon made. If you guys are interested in supporting and helping me out, be much appreciated. I have 2 different tiers on it. Basically, support me a little or support me a lot. You'll get a couple different things. No matter what, you'll get stickers, but I'll show you my stickers if you guys haven't already seen them. I think I made one video. Regardless, it would help me out a lot, especially trying to not get yelled at by these people. Okay, we can do a ride down and back. Because, where is it? I want to take a picture of my motorcycle. One there. The main thing that I'm excited for you guys to have is the community chat, because traveling all these different places, like I just did in our school bus, but more or less when we're in that more permanently and traveling around, it would be nice to actually be able to communicate to you guys and meet up and get out for a ride, have you guys show me either your local roads or local coffee shop and just get to know you guys. But unfortunately, I do have to say, with how sketchy the neighborhood, with how sketchy the internet can be, I don't feel comfortable letting you guys know where I'm going to be beforehand. So, besides letting you know where I'm going to be this Saturday, but I'm going to have a posse. No. Going to be a group of friends. I only know a few of them that are going to be there. Excited to meet Quasimodo in person. He's coming up from Texas right now. I think he's, as of this moment, like, I don't know, 6 hours in from Texas, which is ridiculous. Can I get to this spot? Yeah. Alright, so I have done this spot before. Always super sketchy, but I feel a little bit better this time, because I already did it once before. The sticker that you guys are going to get is going to be this one, not with a bug on it though. I promise it'll be a brand new one. Got a little A-topper sticker. You can see the spoked wheel in the background. I figured with having spoke wheels on this bike, it just kind of draws everything together really nice. As well as when I went to, I think it was Mount Calvard Historic Place. I don't know. It's terrible. I made a video. It's been a little bit. But this is a picture they took that I really liked there. Decided to make a business card out of it. So there's so many bugs out today. I promise you guys I will not send stuff with bugs on it. But yeah, has my YouTube channel, which if you're watching this, you already know it. Put my Instagram and my Patreon as well. I will put the Patreon link down in the description below. Literally just pulling bugs off me. What is going on? It's October, literally 2 days in the 70s, and these creatures are coming out like it's spring. Also, one last thing. Here's a little wallet that I made out of some jeans that head holes and were just time to retire. Personally have 5 cards in here and 2 bills folded into quarters. Just wanted something super minimum, but I'm trying to repurpose everything. So obviously this is just a prototype, gonna make it better, but I've been using this for like 2 weeks and absolutely love it. Super tiny, does everything I need. But I will probably be making a bunch of these. By a bunch, I mean with all my stuff that I have. If you guys are interested in those, let me know down below. My biggest issue is they've always been like either made of leather or like $50. I'm literally just going to make it out of old stuff that I have at the house. So I'm going to probably do like $15 with free shipping or something along those lines. If you guys are interested, let me know. I'll also try to see if I can post them on like, I don't know, Instagram or something. Can't you sell stuff on there now? Thank you. Seriously, little stuff like that makes such a huge difference. I'm just sitting here trying to do B-roll. The kid just made my ride. Alright. That wasn't nearly as bad as it was the first time getting out of there. Let me know if you guys can see the difference in footage or frame rate. Be interested to hear from you guys. I do want to make more stuff than just the wallet and having the stickers. I would like to do, I don't know, t-shirts and mugs in the future, but I am super picky and want everything to be perfect, not just mass produced. Gonna have tall tees that are nice, but need to find some. Hopefully you guys can make it to Birch's Meetup. I am planning on doing a meetup or 2 next year. But yeah, if you guys are able to make it to Birch's Meetup, it'll be sweet to see you guys there. If not, hopefully you guys can make it out to one of my meetups next year. Excited, have a couple ideas, but I'll let you know when they get closer. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, leave them down below. And yeah, subscribe, check out the Patreon. Both of those will really support this channel and would be much appreciated. Till next time, peace.